In this video, you'll learn how to block an eBay seller effectively. This process will help you manage your interactions with sellers you prefer not to engage with, ensuring a smoother online shopping experience. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, locate the Help and Contact section, which is typically found at the top of the eBay homepage. Click on it to proceed to the support area. Next, use the search bar within the Help and Contact section to look for options related to blocking sellers or managing your account preferences. Type in relevant keywords like block seller and press enter. After a moment, you will see a list of articles and options related to your query. Select the article that discusses blocking sellers. This will guide you to your account settings page, where you can find the necessary options to limit your interactions. Look for a link labeled account settings and click on it to access your preferences. Once you are on the account settings page, find the section labeled Site Preferences or Communication Settings. Here, you will see options that allow you to manage interactions with specific sellers. You can choose to block sellers or limit communication from them. Make your selections based on your preferences. If you wish to completely avoid a seller, consider removing them from your watch list or refraining from purchasing items from their listings. This can help maintain a cleaner and more enjoyable shopping experience on the platform. In cases where the seller is violating eBay policies, it is important to take action. Use the reporting feature available on their listing. Provide accurate and detailed information about the issue you are experiencing. After submitting the report, eBay will review the information and take appropriate action if necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.